Good morning, traders. Hope you're all doing very, very well. In this short video, I'll be going over my pre-market plan for the 13th of September. So basically, if you're new to the channel, welcome. The way this works is that I will outline some market ideas, some stock ideas, for today. So I will be including a long over price. I'll be including some profit targets, and then basically I'll be going over the general market going into the session of today. So as you can see on the left hand side of my screen, the PowerPoint, this was yesterday's pre-market plan. So I'm just going to go over that just to clarify that these ideas are successful, so that then you can follow along the next time. So if you do want to skip this part, or if you did watch yesterday's session, just skip to around halfway of this video so then you can see the new pre-market plan. Right, so anyways, let's get into it. Yesterday's pre-market plan, I talked about SPY. I added a weekly range, 402.74 to 415.64. So let's just check the SPY quickly. It's gone daily, and yes, we are still within this range. So tick the box there. Very, very successful. We are looking for a move over this 411 support area, which was the recent resistance area, which was recent support. So above that, we are looking for 415, which was this recent supply. So, we're looking bullish. I mean, yes, we are in the middle of the range, so we could see a little bit of chop. CPI numbers are today, so we could see a decrease in the market today. But then again, since the market is very, very weak right now, I mean, I wouldn't really say that it's very strong. But if the CPI numbers do come out and they are bearish, but we do see like a bullish candle from today, like good volume, ticks all the boxes for some good market sentiment, then we could start loading up shares to go very, very long, to at least target this recent pivot point just around this 430 area on the SPY. Right, so that's another SPY. Let's talk about my trade on Netflix. I highlighted Netflix yesterday as a trade, a day trade basically. I said that I'd be long over this 234 level, so this black line right here. Break of 236 confirmation. Profit target is 240. Again, didn't actually see 240 on this one, or 241, which is a little bit embarrassing, but it's not too bad because we did actually see a very nice rally. So even if you did add shares when I did say, so basically if you longed shares over this 234 level, which is this black line, you could have made a very nice profit, at least a $5 profit, right? Insane. And that's just from Netflix, right? So, yep, green tick, idea successful. Next idea I posted yesterday was Tesla. I said this red zone here, if we go on 15-minute, was a resistance level. So we are looking for this 303.5 to break for continued trend. Over 305.50, we are looking for 305, a lot of 305s. We are looking for 305 to 308 plus. So we saw this 303.5 level break, which is this dotted line right here. And above that, we hit the profit target straight away. Right, so idea successful. Green tick for that one. We did trade this actually in our Discord. We alerted a free trade literally at the bell, so you could have grabbed this first pullback if you were trading with us. I will talk about Discord a little bit later on in the video. Last idea I added yesterday in the pre-market session was NVIDIA. Another great idea here. I said long over. Well, no, actually, it wasn't a great idea. It was it just consolidated basically. But yeah, anyways, I said long over 144.6. Profit target is 148.6/149.5. And then I said if 146 doesn't break, look for dip ads down to 140. We didn't actually get the 140, but we did get some decent dip ads. If you were in Discord, I did alert this as a day trade for free. So you could just jump in the signal when I did alert. We actually got in roughly somewhere down here, I believe. I can't actually recall the trade that much, but I will go over it. But yeah, it's still looking bullish for today. I'll probably end up trading it today as well. So there are my ideas from yesterday. Let's get into the ideas for today. Right, traders, no ideas right now in the video. Let's get into it. Firstly, we've got Meta. Want to talk about Meta real quick. Load up the chart. So I want to be long in shares over 170. 170 has been quite a key level in the past. It's this resistance level, previous resistance level within this daily range area. So it's been basing for a long time. if CPI numbers come out bullish, then we could see a major break for Meta. Could see a very, very nice long-term rally, maybe like a weekly long rally, 2-week long rally. But for today, let's just talk about the daily day trading, for example. So I have said that I am long over 170. If we see 170 break, expect me to be long. I love going long over a key level, over a key resistance. So yeah, long over 170, 172 break equals confirmation. So that basically means that if this level is then hit after I am long, it just gives me a little bit of confirmation that the trend will likely continue. So it's like a little green tick for me. So yeah, then I've said above 172, my profit targets are 173.39 and 175.73. Now I'm not saying like you have to, hit these profit targets to the exact. These are just levels, base it around 10 cents, 20 cents, around this level, maybe 10 cents, 20 cents under it, whatever suits you, whatever floats your boat, So yeah, that's it for Meta. If you want me to talk about it a little bit, so basically I'm long because obviously we're bull flagging right now. We're about to break out this range. If CPI numbers do come out bullish, very, very bullish for Meta as it is a blue chip stock. So my first profit target, 173.39, is based off of this prior little support right here. So above that, it's just a little green tick that we're probably going to end up going higher. And then my other one is from this this prior gap up. So gap ups always do, or at least when I've traded, they always do end up being superior support and resistance levels. So maybe something to note. But yeah, that is my trade for Meta. That is my that is one of my trades. Next one is AMD. If I just load it up. So I've talked about an inside bar candle on a daily. If I just go on the daily real quick, you'll see this right here, this candle. Inside bar, as you can see, the open and close is actually engulfed by the previous candle. So that is what you call an inside bar candle. Most people do not trade these candles, but I mean, a lot of people do trade them, but they like to see the whole candle within the actual inside of the body. But for me, I don't really care. It just shows a lot of compression, a lot of consolidation within the previous day's range. So we could see a nice break above or a break below. Obviously, I'm a bullish trader. Well, I am actually a short trader as well, but in this case, I am bullish, so we are looking for the bullish level above the break. So let's just break it down a little bit on the 15-minute time frame. 8568 or $85.68 is the level I will be long over. Prior resistance, prior day's high. Above that, we are looking for 86.72 as confirmation. If we just go on the hourly chart real quick, you'll then see this is the prior wick, quite a high volume wick from the opening bell, so possibly shorts are risking off this point. If we get above that, we are likely to go higher as shorts will start to begin to cover. Maybe get a little bit of a short trap. I mean, whoever shorted actually down here as well is under the water, so we could see some short covering just purely from that. So if we do see a gap up, or at least a gap up above this 856.68 level, we're looking for continuation. 86.72 confirmed. Then above that, my profit targets are 88.28 and 90.91. I've also added a little one here in the middle, is $90 level, as 90, or at least any whole number is typically a major cycle level, so it just acts as another support and resistance level. So one thing to talk about. If I just talk about the profit targets real quick, so I've based it off this this prior day's support level. It's a little pivotal point, not really much of a pivotal point, but a little bit. And then I've done the other one off this other supply / demand zone here. Well, it was demand here, then it came to supply. So yeah, there are my two ideas for today. They're my only two stocks I will likely trade. If I do see anything, I will likely add them to the Discord. Let's talk about the Discord real quick. So I've got a free Discord you can join. We are doing free alerts, obviously free pre-market plans, all inside. You can click the link in the YouTube description or TikTok description, or I think it's in our it's on our website as well. If you go to the top left, you'll see the little Discord icon if you're on desktop. But basically, we're giving 3 day trades. If you want to come into the Discord, you just got to go on the disclaimer, click the little green tick right here, make your way down to receive notifications, and just click on this free alerts tab here, and then you can get free swing trades, free day trades, free scalp trades, and free option trades. Yesterday we alerted Tesla and sorry, excuse me. Yesterday we alerted Tesla and Nvidia. Tesla hit all 3 profit targets. We alerted literally at the open, at 2 minutes past the open, and then we alerted Nvidia 22 minutes past the open, hitting 3 profit targets. And obviously they were talked about in yesterday's pre-market plan, because I always follow my pre-market plans. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and I hope that it gives you some success when tackling today's markets. And also make sure to be cautious, or at least sit out until the CPI numbers do actually release, because there might be a bit of whipsaw action, and I don't want you guys to get caught up in that sideways price movement as the MM's trying to take all your money. Right, I'm going to leave it here. Take care, guys. Take it easy.